everybody, and welcome to Soul Wonderland. I am your host, Soul, and today we'll be taking a look inside of Absolute Duos, the Essential Edition on Blu-ray. So there is the cover, the spine, the back. Then you open it up and you get disc 1, which has episodes 1 through 9, and then you get disc 2, which has episodes 10 through 12 and extras. Then you take this out, and we'll put those there, and then you get this cool artwork. So this has been the Essentials edition of Absolute Duo, the complete series on Blu-ray. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.